Next up, we're in the Hills District of Sydney in Nelson.
You could... Let's talk about building the pool. How did it all come about?
Well, we come in when the house was at probably halfway stage.
Yep.
Dug it out, first bucket, rock.
Yeah.
So yeah.
There's the extras built in straight away. Am I right?
Yes. So we had a 20-ton excavator dig it out, rock saw it all up. So yeah, turned out quite a nice dig for a rock job, but yeah, full rock.
Pool barrier. In Australia, everyone has to have one. What are you using?
Mate, we use the Polaris soft close fitting, brilliant fitting, find them to be the best.
Mate, not only that, Australian made.
Absolutely.